It's your girl Amaya Soleil, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be trying to install this wig right here in 20 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but we're going to try it anyway, so y'all get to watch me struggle. Don't pay attention to my pimple. That's what I get for eating too much chocolate. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow all my social medias down in the description box. Now let's get right into the video. Before we start this video, I'm going to insert some clips of how I dyed this wig this color. So if you want to see how I got this color and you would like to redo it, stay tuned. Okay guys, basically I'm going to be showing you the 613 wig that Elva Hair sent me. It is 150 density and it's also 12 inches. I'm just showing you the lace so you guys can see the lace before I dye it. I'm basically going to be using the Kiss dye in the color Hunter Green. I'm going to basically be using that to dye the hair today. I'm going to put it into the pot. Here I am dipping the wig in, and I take the wig out like, wait, what color is that? And so I dip it back in because I'm like, no. And I'm like, is that blue? But I dip it back in because I'm dumb and I clearly can't see the first time or the second time. And here it goes, blue again. And I'm like, oh no, I thought this was green. They catfished me. So I put it back in and I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna try one more time. As if the color was gonna change. It's still blue and I don't have time to change the color. So eventually, I just put the whole wig in and I say forget it because I can't go to the hair store. It is already too late. So this is the color that I got. Basically, it's a blue rather than a dark green. Okay, so on this phone, I'm going to add 20 minutes so that you guys know I'm not cheating. And then I'm going to put it right here. Start 20 minutes, y'all. So as y'all already know, I did not want the wig this color. No, I don't use a wig cap. No, I don't use a wig cap. I know. No, I do not use a wig cap. This color is not the color I wanted. I wanted like a dark green. And it came out like a freaking orange color.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It came out a freaking blue. They catfished me. Basically, I'm gonna just take some alcohol and like take some off. 15 minutes. So I got this wig from Elva Hair. In the box, they gave me a wig cap. Oh, this is what the wig came in. Here's the comb I was looking for. I needed a rat tail comb. I lost mine. Okay. I need this. Oh, and it came pre-plucked. Y'all see that? Pre-plucked. Oh, and it matched my skin already without a wig cap. So, hopefully, it works. Y'all, we have 12 minutes. 12 minutes left. So, also in the box, they gave me this like elastic band, and I heard this works so good. Ooh, it's a little tight. I don't know if it's gonna wrap around. So, is it not long enough? I heard this is so good for your lace, so I want to try it. Oh! I'm failing at this point. I'm gonna wear my scarf, and that's on period. I actually do like this color on me. At first, I thought it was like gonna look like one of them things off of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If I can find a picture, I'm gonna put it right there. Tell me in the comments what's that even called. Take this off because we got freaking 8 minutes. Time go by so fast. Oh my gosh, I just feel like it looks so cute, but I just feel like I failed. Didn't I cut it? Oh, give me a bit. Some of it didn't glue down. Hold on, cause wait though. Did I do that though? Child. Anyway, so why do we keep doing that? Like, at this point, they don't want me to succeed. Oh, it's 22.
Yeah, chopper.
It's a chopper.
We got 2 minutes, y'all. Is that hot? Ooh, I know what my costume is for Halloween this year. Throw on this wig. Call me Ariel. Wait. Ariel hair is red. Whatever. I'll be Amaya the mermaid. Okay, it's hot, y'all. Can we just bump my sis? Sis, can we bump you? Y'all, this looks terrible. This looks so bad. At this point, what is this? What is this? Like, you had 20 whole minutes. 20. And this is what you came up with? To hit that Debbie Ryan. Basically, y'all, I lost the challenge, but I'm about to go off camera and try to like do something better to this hair so I could show y'all and tell y'all about the hair while I do my outro. So y'all know I got this wig from Elva Hair, and in the box they sent me, of course the wig came in this for extra safety. Y'all know they sent me 2 wig caps. They also sent me a rat tail comb that I really needed. This is what all companies need to take notes on. Send a comb in the package. And of course, they sent an elastic band that I thought would go around my head, but obviously my head is too big. So basically, you can use this to make your wig glueless. They also sent their business card, as you can see, and then it says you're a superstar on the back. And then they have their customer service, email, and website on here. That is all that came in the box. Don't mind the box. DHL definitely did not handle my package with care. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that, you know, this is 613 hair. Also water dyed it with boiling hot water that was on the stove. And it does not shed. I've been waiting. And it has yet to shed. This is their 316 frontal wig that is 12 inches, 150 density, and it does not shed. Also, it came pre-plucked. I did not have to pluck this wig. So if you guys are bad at plucking, I either overpluck or underpluck. This wig was perfect for me. If you guys cannot pluck or overpluck as well as me, make sure y'all go get y'all this wig. I also want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned for my 25,000 subscriber giveaway. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social medias down in the description box. Purchase you a wig from Elva Wigs. And I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video and subscribing to me. Bye.